How to fix Need for Speed crashing. Game keeps crashing on your phone, don't worry. Here's how to fix Need for Speed in just a quick simple steps. Open your Need for Speed application. If your game keeps on crashing, you just have to simply double tap your home button and clear all the caches and the app you have opened. Now hold on to the power button and restart your phone. This clears out memory issue that might cause crashes. Or you can open the App Store, tap onto the profile icon. If Need for Speed has an update button, tap on it. Or else you can go to the settings and then general, iPhone storage, and make sure you have at least 2 GB free. Game crashes when storage runs low. If nothing works, delete the app, then reinstall it from the App Store. Just make sure your account is linked to save the progresses. And that's how you can fix Need for Speed crashing on your phone.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tutorials. Drop a comment if you have questions or suggestions for future videos. And don't forget to check out our playlist. See you in the next one.